Friends, Facebook has introduced a safety feature known as profile lock. The feature allows users to restrict access to one's profile to people who are not on their friends list. Once a user locks his or her profile, other people who are not on the friends list will not be able to see the profile. Furthermore, they will not be able to download profile photo and cover photo. Facebook, Android and iOS applications allow you to easy to lock your profile from stalkers. Here's a step-by-step guide for locking Facebook profile. Open the Facebook app and then tap on your profile. Now tap on the three-dot menu next to the Add to Story section. Here you will find the Lock Profile option. Tap on it and you will be taken to the Lock Profile page. Tap on the Lock Your Profile. Tap OK. With this, your Facebook profile is now locked. If you found this video useful, comment down below. Also, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from us.